Hello everybody, Google Sheets, how to make a multiplication or an addition or sum. I'm preparing a budget and I want to introduce in this cell the multiplication of these two cells, and this must be the addition of these two. How to do it? Okay, very easy. We are going to do equal, we select this cell, then asterisk, and then this cell, B3 and C3. Here you have the colors, and this is the formula. Enter. And there is the autofill. I can accept it if I want. Here, another multiplication could be this cell, asterisk, multiplied by 7, or 7% if I want. That's it. Then, how to do the sum, how to do addition here. Equal, and this plus this. Ta-da! You could also use equal sum, open parenthesis, and then select this. Enter. Here you can see the formula. That's it. Equal, asterisk, and equal plus. Okay, see you next time.